Why it feels like everyone has more money than you. Feeling like everyone has more money than you is often tied to comparison bias and the way we perceive others' lives, especially in the age of social media. If you have ever looked around and thought, why does it feel like everyone has more money than me? Like no matter what you do, people seem to be out there living the dream, fancier cars, better vacations, bigger houses, and you're just here? You're definitely not alone. In today's video, I'm breaking down 7 reasons why you might feel financially behind, and we'll figure out together if there's even truth to that feeling. Plus, I'll share what you can do to shift your mindset and feel more empowered in your own financial journey. 1. Judging a book by its cover. This mindset often leads to false assumptions and unfair judgments, especially when it comes to wealth and success. This idea is closely tied to why people often feel others are wealthier than they are. Social media, luxury items, and visible signs of success create an illusion of prosperity. Many people focus on what can be seen, like vacations, cars, and branded goods, while financial struggles and debt remain hidden. This leads to the belief that others have more money, causing unnecessary comparison and dissatisfaction. Imagine seeing a person driving a luxury car and wearing designer clothes. It's easy to assume they are financially well off. However, the reality could be different. They might be in a significant debt from financing the car or keeping up appearances. Their wealth may be more about image than actual financial security. Okay, picture this. You've got a pretty solid job. You're driving a modest Toyota Corolla, practical, reliable, nothing flashy. Then you've got a co-worker. Let's call him Adam. Adam rolls into the office parking lot with a brand new BMW i4. You both make the same salary, so now you're thinking, wait, how is this possible? Here's the thing. Adam isn't balling like you think. He's leasing the car on a promotional deal. That sleek ride, it goes back to the dealership in 3 years. Meanwhile, you're building equity in your car, planning to own it outright after 5 years with no payments. Moral of the story: appearances are deceiving. That wealthy look isn't always backed by wealth. Focus on your financial health, not the illusion someone else is selling. 2. Spending habits are invisible. Spending habits are often hidden from public view, which makes it difficult to accurately assess someone's financial situation based on appearances alone. People may showcase wealth through visible assets like cars, clothes, or vacations, but the way they manage their money behind the scenes, saving, investing, debt, or living paycheck to paycheck, remains private. A colleague might frequently dine at expensive restaurants and wear designer brands. This could suggest financial prosperity, but they might be relying on credit cards or sacrificing savings to maintain that lifestyle. Imagine 2 friends, A and B. A regularly spends on experiences, travel, concerts, camel rides in the desert. Now B looks wealthier on Instagram, but behind the scenes, A investment account is quietly growing. A has collected memories and financial security, while B has, well, stuff. Wealth isn't always what meets the eye. Judging someone's financial habit based on visible spending can be misleading, since true financial security is often reflected in habits we can't see. It's easy to feel like you're falling behind when someone else's spending is just louder. Stay focused on your priorities. What brings you long-term happiness, not just short-term glamour? 3. Social media's highlight reel is a lie. Let's be real, social media is a trap. You see influencers flashing luxury cars, yachts, designer outfits, but guess what? Wealth isn't flashy. Real wealth is often quiet. Remember that viral picture of Mark Zuckerberg wearing a basic grey t-shirt and jeans? Dude's a billionaire. Many people who are truly wealthy tend to avoid showing off their wealth on social media. One common issue in today's society is how easily we fall into the trap of using social media influencers and celebrities as role models for how to dress, act, or spend money. However, genuine wealth is often quiet and discreet, not flashy or easily noticeable. Take, for example, the way some wealthy individuals dress, often in simple, casual clothing rather than designer brands. They prioritize financial security and privacy over public displays of wealth. Keeping a low profile offers them not only anonymity, but also greater safety and control over their resources. The truth is, people's financial situations are often hidden and complex. Wealth can be difficult to gauge from the outside, so it's important not to believe everything you see online. Real financial success is often found in smart money management, not public displays of luxury. Here's what you don't see. That flashy Rolex could be on a credit card. Those luxury vacations, possibly funded by debt. In fact, studies show that a huge percentage of luxury goods are bought on credit, especially by younger generations. So next time you're scrolling Instagram, just remember, you're only seeing the highlight reel, not the full financial reality. 4. Comparing upward and why it's a trap. Quick question. Do you ever compare yourself to someone less fortunate? Probably not. We're wired to compare upwards, to people who seem more successful. But that mindset is dangerous. It often leads to feeling of inadequacy, dissatisfaction, and a distorted view of reality. Think about it. You're comparing yourself to someone with a bigger house, a better job title, a fancier lifestyle, but you're ignoring the millions of people who would love to be in your position. Perspective shift. If you have access to clean water, food, shelter, and opportunities, you're already wealthier than most of the planet. The next time you catch yourself in a comparison spiral, zoom out. Appreciate what you do have instead of chasing someone else's highlight reel. Real success cannot be measured by someone else's standards. Focus on your journey, not someone else's high reel. 5. Expecting too much too soon. Ever scroll through Reddit and see someone turn $10,000 into $1 million overnight? It's easy to feel like you're doing something wrong when you see crazy success stories online, but here's the reality. You're only seeing the wins, not the failures. For every person who made it big, there are thousands who lost everything. Trust the process and give yourself time to grow. There's nothing like making quick cash, and oftentimes making money does take a lot of sacrifice and diligence. 6. The grass is greener syndrome. You see someone living large and think, wow, they've got it all. But have you considered what they sacrificed? That investment banker making 6 figures, he's working 100-hour weeks, never seeing his family. That influencer with a dream lifestyle could be drowning in debt to maintain the image. The guy with the expensive watch might be struggling behind the scenes to keep up with the payments. People often highlight the positive aspects of their lives, especially on social media, while hiding struggles. Focusing on what you don't have can overshadow what you already do. You don't know people's backstories. So before you envy someone else's success, ask yourself, do I actually want their life or just the parts they show? Focus on what's positive in your life. Realize every situation has challenges, even if they aren't visible. Address personal dissatisfaction rather than assuming external changes will fix it. 7. Family wealth is the ultimate cheat code. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Some people are ahead simply because they started with a head start. Maybe they inherited money, had family help for college or a house, grew up without financial stress. That doesn't mean they didn't work hard, but it's not the same starting line for everyone. But here's the thing, you can't control someone else's circumstances. Final takeaway, focus on your own lane. At the end of the day, feeling like everyone has more money than you? It's mostly an illusion. Social media lies. A lot of the things we see on social media are false. People are pretending to be what they're not. Appearances lie. Some people buy or use the most expensive or luxury items. For some, they may have borrowed them or bought them on credit. Even job titles can lie. A person's job title doesn't accurately represent their financial stability. Titles may be misleading, giving a false sense of authority, prestige, or wealth that may not match reality. What doesn't lie? Consistent effort, smart choices, long-term habits. Focus on your growth, not someone else's timeline. And trust me, when you look back in 5 or 10 years, you'll be glad you did. If this resonated with you, drop a comment below with the biggest mindset shift you're working on right now. And if you want more content like this, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's build wealth the right way, together. See you in the next one.